I'm officially 4 months postpartum. Oh my goodness. I'm starting to feel like I'm getting a hang of this thing, this whole mom thing. But honestly, some days I still have no idea what I'm doing. Between the baby, the house, work, and everything else, it's really easy to wake up and completely forget about yourself. So this morning, I'm going to take a little time to get myself together, get my home together, and hopefully start my day by feeling a little bit more accomplished. So come spend the morning with me. I'm done getting ready. That took me like 30 minutes, literally. I took a shower, brushed my teeth, washed my face, did a little light makeup, and now I have to go to the kitchen to start cleaning because that kitchen's not gonna clean itself. If I finish everything in time, I'll be doing this big stack of laundry right here because I always leave my laundry for last. I absolutely hate doing laundry. Like, I'll do everything else. I'll wash dishes, clean my bathroom, but the laundry, I hate. And let's not talk about this load of laundry that I have in the dryer right now. Oh my goodness. So everything's pretty much clean now. I put my baby's clothes in the washer. And now I'm gonna go outside and see what I do outside. I'm probably gonna water my plants. Our little friends are here. Look at the ducklings. Oh, okay. Now I can kind of relax because I still have to, clean out here and tidy it up because we might have visitors later today. It's just a never-ending cycle. Like, I feel like work is never, being a mom is never ending. Like, you never finish. You never finish with stuff. Like, you never get like the house completely clean. You never have a break. Like, it's always constant. That's why I like to wake up early, and I like to give myself some time to breathe. When I was younger, I used to get upset because my mom would like make me do all these chores, and on the weekend we would have like a reset cleaning days, and I would get so like upset, and I would get like, I thought she would try to torture me by making me do all this stuff. But now that I'm older, I'm actually thankful that she made me clean and like do all that stuff, because now I have this routine where it's like, it's kind of like a habit now where I have to clean. Because maybe, I don't know, am I just a clean freak? Are people like this? Like, are people naturally like wanting to clean all the time? I don't know. I think it's like, you must, like, if you have a family and you have a baby and you have kids, you have to clean. Like, what else are you doing? I don't know. But my baby's only 4 months old and I'm already feeling like he's a lot. Like, his clothes, his diapers, like his toys, like just putting everything together. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and share a little bit of my morning routine before the baby wakes up. The baby's about to wake up, and like, he's a really good sleeper. It's 7. I've been up since like 5 a.m. He's about to wake up in like an hour, and I'm gonna have all the time to spend with him because I already did everything that I had to in the morning. So I hope you have a really good day today. I'm gonna be posting more mom content, and just subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, or like beauty stuff, because I do that too, how to look good when you're a mom. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. Bye.